रात रो नाइस Tschurvan. आज रनोइन Nadur Tschurvan. Lot of people deep fry lotus root, but I prefer to saute with a little oil. So I have taken pan with little oil, and in oil I put little esovita, like a pinch, and then add these nuts. Nuts should be small. The lotus root should be small pieces, not big pieces. And a little bit of cumin seed or jeera. Saute it like this until it is well cooked. Then we will mix it with Tschurvan. I'll show you after we. Okay, I see they are now brown and well cooked. So see, I avoided deep frying, and by sauteing they are well done. Now wash liver with the water couple times to drain all the blood. So let's start. Wash it nicely, drain all the blood out. There should be no blood. I did already drained it couple times. Take in a pan, heat it a little bit, and put oil, mustard oil or olive oil. Depends upon your choice. Add a little bit of asafoetida or young. Let it warm a little bit. Now it's warm. Add liver. Little bit of jeera. Stir fry it until that all water is absorbed and they are brown, nicely fried. So add 1.5 spoon of chili powder, 1 spoon of turmeric, and short quantity should be also spoon and a half. Powder, half spoon, not too much. We should not put too much fennel powder in it. Put a little bit of water. I'm going to add with it this nadur that we cooked. Same thing you can do with the potatoes. If you want to cook Tschurvan, olu, or potato and Tschurvan, just saute potatoes, make them cubes, saute them same way, and then add to the Tschurvan. So we added Tschurvan with nadur, so it's boiling. I'm adding a little more water so that the nadur also absorbs the taste of spices and flavors of spices. Not too much, a little bit of water, like 1/4 of a cup. Okay, so now you can see the oil is showing on the sides. It is ready, optional. I put little green chilies over it. It gives little that fresh flavor. So Tschurvan nadur is ready. I'm going to turn off stove and I'll serve.
Because Nadur Tschurvan taste.
फिर नादर खाने
नादर खाने के साथ तो गड़ कर वो नादुर टेस्ट
ये क्या है मशरूम है?
सरवंत नादुर वाह मज़ा वाला है चंद्रा जी तो इसको मज़ा करा